So, what is up mga katekshop? So, for today's video mga katekshop, I have here Oppo Reno 5 5G. And as you can see, customer paid before we fix the problem for this phone. So, I appreciate the trust. Anyway, let's disassemble the phone. Let's remove this back cover mga katekshop. The problem for this phone is that no display, but when you plug in the charger it's gonna vibrate, so phone is still working. However, the LCD is the problem. The customer paid for 1,600 pesos for the repair for the cell phone. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone, remove the SIM card tray, and remove this second layer of this back cover. And then we should have access to the LCD flex cable. Let's test the new LCD. It seems to be working. Touch is working, and we can adjust the backlight or the brightness. So let's remove the old LCD and then clean up the edges of the frame, and then this plastic cover for earpiece. Let's transfer it to the new LCD. Alright mga katikshop, if you're interested in the tools that I've been using in my repairs, don't forget to check the links on the description. Let's go. Now let's apply glue. I'm just using B7000 for my glue. Let's wait for an hour, and then after that we should be able to continue with assembling the phone. Alright, at the same time I charge the phone. Touch is working, as you can see. Display is working. Alright, so again, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to check the links on the description. Let's go.